What's going on, everyone? It's CHH, and today we're diving deep into the Australian property market, specifically Darwin. Now, you might be thinking, Darwin, why not Sydney or Melbourne? And that's a fair question, but hear me out, because Darwin presents some unique opportunities for investors like you and me, especially when you compare investing in units versus houses. This isn't about chasing the hottest market, it's about strategic investing, understanding value, and maximizing your returns. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, stick around because we're about to break down why Darwin's property market deserves a closer look. Let's talk rental yields, because that's where Darwin really shines, especially when it comes to units. See, Darwin's known for having some of the highest rental yields in Australia, often outperforming those bigger cities everyone talks about. I'm talking about potential yields of 7 to 8% for units. That's huge for generating cash flow. Houses in Darwin also do well, typically yielding around 5 to 6%. But those units, they can be a cash flow machine. Think about it. Lower purchase price, strong rental demand, that's a recipe for some serious passive income. So if you're all about that cash flow, Darwin's unit market could be your golden goose. Now let's talk affordability, because that's a big factor for any investor. And this is where Darwin really sets itself apart. The median house price in Darwin sits around $600,000, according to CoreLogic. That's significantly less than what you'd find in Sydney or Melbourne. And units? Even better. You can find great units in desirable areas for under $400,000. This lower barrier to entry makes Darwin incredibly attractive, especially for new investors. You're not throwing down $1 million just to get started. Plus, with those high rental yields, you can potentially cover a bigger chunk of your mortgage payments with rental income. Now, any smart investor knows it's not just about today's market, it's about future growth. And guess what? Darwin's got that going on too. The population is rising steadily, and with more people comes the need for more housing. Plus, the Northern Territory government is investing heavily in infrastructure. We're talking about transport, healthcare, energy, all the things that make a city more attractive to live in and drive up property values. This growth benefits both unit and house owners, but houses, with their land component, might see a bigger boost in the long run. It's all about supply and demand. Now let's talk about the backbone of any strong property market, the economy. Darwin's economy is fueled by defense, mining, and tourism industries that provide stability and attract a diverse workforce. Being Australia's gateway to Asia is another huge plus. This strategic location brings in investment and strengthens Darwin's position on the global stage. Now, both units and houses benefit from this economic strength, but units tend to attract younger professionals and offer that set-it-and-forget-it appeal for investors. Houses, on the other hand, attract families and long-term tenants, which can mean less turnover and more stability in your investment. Let's not forget about lifestyle, because that's a major drawcard for tenants. Darwin's got that laid-back, tropical vibe, beautiful beaches, and a unique cultural scene. It's a magnet for people looking to escape the hustle and bustle of bigger cities. Units, especially those close to the city centre and amenities, appeal to young professionals and singles. Houses, with their extra space and privacy, are a hit with families and retirees. This targeted demand for both property types means you've got options. You can tailor your investment strategy based on the lifestyle you're targeting, which is key for attracting and retaining tenants. So there you have it. Darwin's property market is a hidden gem, especially when you compare units and houses. With high rental yields, affordable entry points, and a growing economy, Darwin offers a unique opportunity for both seasoned investors and those just starting out. Units are a fantastic option for cash flow-focused investors, while houses provide that long-term growth potential that we all love. Remember, the median house price in Darwin is around $600,000, making it a much more accessible market compared to those larger cities. Units can be even more affordable, giving you that lower barrier to entry. Whether you're chasing high yields or long-term capital growth, Darwin's got something for you. Do your research, explore your options, and consider making Darwin your next smart property investment.
Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. We are not licensed financial advisors. Please do your own research and consult with a licensed financial, legal, or tax professional before making any investment decisions. Any opinions expressed are our own and not intended as specific recommendations.